Welcome everyone to HueFin. Today is November the 6th, 2019. Doing a very quick video because Roku is releasing their earnings today, and we're going to look at this price chart to see whether or not this particular stock will see lower prices or movement higher. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to look at this Forbes article in the market for Roku with their earnings preview of what to expect from Roku today. Now they're scheduled to release their earnings after today's close. The stock recently hit a record high of $176.55 a share and is trading near $146 per share right now. Now this stock is prone to big moves after reporting earnings, and it can easily gap up if the numbers are strong. And if the numbers are weak and disappointing, well, you can expect a gap down. This is what this article is going to insinuate. Now this is what the street is expecting the earnings report to have for Roku. They're reported to have a loss of about 28 cents per share on about $243 million in revenue. And the Whisperer has a loss of about 20 cents. And this article goes great lengths to substantiate that the Whisper number is the street's unofficial view on the earnings. All right. So we can expect the gap up, gap down according to this Forbes article, and we're going to go ahead and look at this real quick. Now the monthly chart in Roku has seen a substantial recovery from that month of September. Okay, we saw massive volume, massive spread coming to the market in Roku for the month of September, and then we reverse course in the month of October. So that is telling me in a long-term preview of Roku that this stock is maintaining its strength. Looking here at the weekly price chart, you can see over the last 5 weeks, not including this current week, the market in Roku has recovered. And that continually shows you, even on smaller time frames, that this stock is anticipating to see a continuation of movement higher. We do have earnings, and we will be expecting some volatility to come into the market. And if you're playing this particular Roku stock on a longer time frame, it does look beneficial that the long-term purview and the forecast will be for this stock to continue to see some higher prices. So that's what we're going to forecast in the market in Roku. We do have some resistance right there around $145 to $150 per share. So that is where the sell wall is coming in at for this particular stock. But the monthly time frame, the weekly time frame, all are indicating to us that this stock is still reflecting a lot of indicational strength. So the expectation for us in the long-term view for Roku will be for us to see some higher prices, but just understand that $150 is where resistance currently lies. Okay, so there is still a probability that the market in Roku won't be able to succeed above $150. So keep that in mind as we see this earnings come out later today. So I wanted to come in and give all of our subscribers this update for Roku. The expectation in the long term will be for this stock to continue to move higher, but we do have a probabilistic outlook that the market in Roku can find a hard resistance area at 150. So keep that in mind. Make sure y'all maintain profitability, and as always, follow us on Twitter, Facebook, as well as on our website at HueFinancial.com.